got you into the restaurant business?
I love food. I eat a lot of good food. I had a passion for talking to people. That was my strong point.
What are the 3 things you wish someone told you before you open your restaurant?
There's no other palette that you can use except yours because you will not satisfy everyone.
You need a very, very solid business sense. I think that's the most crucial aspect of when you open a restaurant.
Tell us about what is your biggest mistake or your most expensive mistake?
We started realizing, like, when people walked in or walked by the restaurant, they looked inside and they said, wait, it's a beautiful restaurant, let's go take a look at the menu. They look at the menu and go, I don't want to eat hot dogs and fries and burgers.
What are people looking for?
What is maybe a sure recipe for success is your focus on service.
Do you play the game? Do you play the social media game?
As important as social media is, restaurateurs, owners also shouldn't let it rule their lives as if it's the most important data point.
Be able to reach and find your target market.
It's inevitable that you have to play the social media game. It's just how you respond to certain things that appear when you're in front of you.
Should I do this soft opening? Because I don't get it.
One of the reasons why we also did soft opening before is even though the amount of training we did prior to opening, it still doesn't compare to when you're actually open.
Once you open, there are no mistakes.
First impression lasts, and that's pretty hard to change.